Hello everyone! So today I prepare a sweet coffee jelly. I use black gulaman and my ingredients are all-purpose cream, evaporada, and condensada. I do not put sugar because condensada is already sweet. So for me, it is easy to prepare and to cook as a grade 4 student. Let's go! Let's put 3 glasses of water. So when it's boiled, let's put the black gulaman. Stir it. Make sure that it's all melted. And let's put a 2 tablespoons of coffee. So let's put it on the tub. So let's put it on the refrigerator. After 30 minutes that I put it into the refrigerator, now I'm gonna cut it into cubes. By the way, I washed my hands already. Now let's cut it into cubes. Now let's put the half of evaporada and the condensed milk and the all-purpose cream to make it creamier. And let's mix it. And I'm gonna put it to the refrigerator to make it colder. And that's it. That's my coffee jelly.